What's up, Green Thumbs? Today, we're diving into the 5 easiest greens you can grow at home for delicious, fresh salads. Stick around because we're about to turn your garden into a salad factory. Let's get growing. Lettuce, the superstar of salads. All right, first up is the superstar of salads, the one, the only, lettuce. Lettuce is like the beginner's best friend. It grows fast, doesn't ask for much, and you can harvest it in just a few weeks. Seriously, it's easier than keeping a goldfish alive. Just sprinkle the seeds, water them a bit, and boom! You're on your way to fresh, crunchy lettuce. Pro tip: grow different varieties for a colorful salad bowl that looks straight out of a gourmet restaurant. Spinach, Popeye's favorite. Next, we have spinach. Popeye's favorite for a reason. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and grows like crazy. Plus, it's super versatile. You can eat it fresh, throw it in a smoothie, or even sneak it into your kids' meals without them noticing. Spinach loves cool weather, so plant it in spring or fall for the best results. And trust me, once you start harvesting those leaves, you'll feel like a superhero. Kale, the trendy green. Number 3, kale. I know, it's the trendiest green out there. But did you know it's also one of the easiest to grow? Kale is tough as nails, handles heat and cold, and keeps producing all season long. It's like the Chuck Norris of greens. Plus, it's super nutritious. You can add it to your salads, smoothies, or make those Instagram-worthy kale chips. Just remember to massage the leaves for a tender salad experience. Arugula, the peppery kick. Fourth on the list is arugula, also known as rocket. This spicy green adds a peppery kick to your salads and grows at the speed of light. Okay, not literally, but it's really fast. You'll be munching on fresh arugula in no time. Just give it plenty of sunlight and water, and watch it rocket to life. Plus, its unique flavor will make your salads stand out at every dinner party. Swiss Chard, the vibrant overachiever. Last but not least, Swiss Chard. This vibrant green is like the rainbow of the garden world. It's not only beautiful, but also super easy to grow and packed with vitamins. Swiss Chard is a bit of an overachiever. It can handle heat, cold, and keeps producing for months. You can use it in salads, sautés, or even as a wrap for your favorite fillings. It's the gift that keeps on giving. The 5 easiest greens for salads. So there you have it, the 5 easiest greens to grow for salads. Lettuce, spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard. Your salads are about to get a serious upgrade. Hit that like button if you're ready to start your garden, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic gardening tips. Thanks for watching, Green Thumbs. Happy growing, and see you in the next video.